Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best kitchen shears is OXO Good Grips Kitchen Shears. These affordably priced, easy-to-use OXO shears quickly became the overall favorite during testing. They could handle almost any task, from snipping herbs and produce to slicing through meat and fine bones. Sometimes you don't need to spend a lot of money on a pair of shears that can handle any task you throw at them. These shears' stainless steel blades are extremely durable, and the plastic grip is comfortable. Even when used to spatchcock poultry, it never slipped from our tester's grasp. The deep serrations on the blade also helped grip the food securely, preventing any unwanted slipping and sliding. The shears have wider handle loops than other models and an ergonomic curvature that reduces fatigue significantly. The shears cut cleanly through parchment paper sheets and moved quickly through herbs, vegetables, a crusty pizza, and even small bones and chicken. Sharpening the blade's non-serrated edge, on the other hand, was simple with a sharpening stone. Number 2 in our side is KitchenAid All-Purpose Shears. These all-purpose shears from KitchenAid are a valuable addition to your kitchen utensils set and ideal for a variety of tasks throughout the home, from slicing poultry and pizza to clipping coupons. The blade edges feature micro serrations to provide a superior cutting experience. Durable and strong, these kitchen scissors are made from heavy-duty stainless steel that withstands daily use, with soft grip handles that provide comfort and control while using. The micro serrations on the blade edges of these kitchen scissors provide a superior cutting experience on everything from tough cuts of meat to strong wires and twine. Use these all-purpose shears for a variety of tasks throughout the home, from slicing poultry and pizza to clipping coupons. The handles provide comfort and control, making these shears a go-to kitchen gadget. The dishwasher-safe, heavy-duty stainless steel makes these shears a valuable kitchen utensil that will stand up to everyday use. The included guard protects the blades on these kitchen scissors when they are stored. Micro-serrated, stainless steel blades offer enhanced cutting performance. The secure grip handle provides comfort and control, and extra thick blades offer durability. Rust-resistant stainless steel blades are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Third in our best kitchen shears list is Shun Multi-Purpose Shears. Shun Classic Multi-Purpose Kitchen Shears are handcrafted in Seiki, Japan, from a proprietary high-carbon, molybdenum vanadium stainless steel. More carbon is used in the blades for strength, and stainless steel is used for corrosion resistance. These shears are long-lasting, razor-sharp, and multi-purpose. For clean, secure cuts, they have a smooth top blade with a micro-serrated bottom blade. This set includes a bottle opener, a nutcracker, a jar opener, a flathead screwdriver bit, and a bone notcher, as well as a nutcracker, a jar opener, a flathead screwdriver bit, and a bone notcher. Basically, this is the gadget for any kitchen task. The handles are cushioned and have slightly larger openings than average, making long tasks easier on the hands. Multi-purpose shears from Shun for a multitude of tasks in and around the kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel for years of durability and performance. Built-in features include a nutcracker, a jar opener, a bone notch, a lid lifter, and 2 screwdriver tips. Each handle has a plastic overmold to ensure a comfortable and safe, secure grip even while wet. Blades separate easily for washing, then lock together easily and securely for use. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is OXO Good Grips Poultry Shears. The OXO kitchen and herb shears, as well as the poultry shears, are dependable and have sharp, stainless steel blades. If you frequently cook and break down poultry, these are better suited to the task than a pair of multi-purpose. This pair is tapered to fit into tight spaces and spring-loaded for added power and less hand strain. They provide accurate, task-specific performance. The OXO poultry shears have been designed with safety in mind. The handle locks keep them secure when stored, and the non-slip comfortable grip keeps everything in place when in use. These shears are not dishwasher safe, but the handles are easy to clean and, like all OXO products, will last a long time with proper care. The stick and stay suction line includes a bowl, plate and divided plate that feature a secure suction base that sticks firmly to surfaces until mealtime is over. The parent-friendly design makes these plates and bowls easy for grown-ups to remove, but tricky for little ones, to prevent slipping, tipping or tossing. The side walls are designed to help tots with scooping to help promote self-feeding. These dishwasher-safe bowls and plates quickly twist apart for thorough cleaning. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Henkel's kitchen shears. These shears have micro serrations along the blade's edge. This made it easier for the shears to grab the food and ensured slip-free cutting. The shears are extremely versatile, and our tester used them to open bottles, jars, and screw caps, as well as crack open a few nuts. The meat cuts were extremely clean, with no tugging or tearing of meat or skin. With these, you can chop a bunch of herbs and sliced green onions, cut a pizza into small slices, cut flower stems off, and crack some shellfish. All of the cuts were clean and precise, and the shears were easy to use. The only disadvantage of these shears is that they cannot be disassembled for cleaning. While we washed the shears in the dishwasher several times, the manufacturer recommends hand washing them.